Since the invention of the pneumatic pump, customers have had one consistent concern.
In my experience, what we hear from the customers that we serve is that they're looking for ways to save money.
We're seeing a big trend in people either trying to reduce their carbon footprint or reduce their energy costs. Everybody's really looking at the bottom line.
The time has come to set a new standard. With an innovation so simple, yet so effective, it can cut air consumption by more than 50%. The time has come to shift your thinking. Introducing Wilden's new Pro-Flo Shift. We put some of the best AODD pumps to the test. In carefully controlled side-by-side laboratory trials, we showed an experienced group of pump experts exactly how Wilden's new Pro-Flo Shift technology performs under a variety of set conditions. In each test, the head pressure was set exactly the same. The variable, the air consumption required to achieve a set flow rate. We even piped the Pro-Flo Shift at the end of the test rack to make it work just a little harder than the others. Performance comparisons to standard AODD pumps were dramatic. The amount of air required to achieve the same flow rate was about half for Pro-Flo Shift. And against some of the perceived leaders in air efficiency, Wilden's Pro-Flo Shift still came out on top.
Wow.
But there are other differences beyond the reduced air consumption. Differences that require a shift in the way industry thinks about AODD pumps. Part of the beauty of Wilden's Pro-Flo Shift is the simplicity. There's no learning, no electronics, making Pro-Flo Shift submersible. Just one simple part shifts the entire process. No more overfilling in the pumping chamber. No need for complicated flow curves to set it up. The results are in, and the data speaks for itself. Pro-Flo Shift will change the way we think about air-driven pumps. Industry experts agree.
You know, to kind of look at that, I mean, simplicity of coming up with something that does this without all the bells and whistles and the weight of it and the cost of it. Something simple as that, to look at the efficiency advantage. It's, you know, amazing.
Pro-Flo Shift is the greatest innovation that I've seen in diaphragm pumps in my career.
From the company that bears the name of the man who invented air-operated double diaphragm pumps, comes a new innovation that will change the game. This is the most energy-efficient AODD pump ever produced. Simple, reliable, efficient. The new Wilden Pro-Flo Shift. Shift your thinking. Make the shift to Wilden's new PS line of high-efficiency pumps.
PSG, where innovation flows.